Mastering complements in English grammar. The key to polished sentences. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of English grammar. We're focusing on an essential component of sentence structure, the subject-verb-object complement, SVOC, pattern, specifically the part known as the complement. By the end of this video, you'll be able to recognize, understand, and confidently use subject and object complements in your sentences. So, let's get started. Before we jump into complements, it's important to understand the SVOC pattern. It stands for subject-verb-object complement. Subject, the doer of the action. Verb, the action itself. Object, the receiver of the action. Complement, this adds information about the subject or the object. For example, in the sentence, John S. painted V. The wall O. Red C. Red is the complement providing additional information about the wall, the object of the sentence. The complement in a sentence typically provides more detail about the subject or the object. It completes the idea that the subject and verb start. Now, there are two main types of complements: subject complements and object complements. A subject complement either describes or identifies the subject of the sentence. It follows a linking verb and gives more information about the subject. Linking verbs often include forms of be and sensory verbs like feel, look, smell, etc. For example, in the sentence, Maria is a teacher is the subject complement describing Maria, the subject. On the other hand, an object complement can provide more detail about or identify the object of a sentence. It follows and modifies, renames, or describes the direct object. Let's take an example. They elected John president. Here, president is the object complement, providing more detail about the object, John. Understanding and using complements properly is crucial for mastering English grammar. They allow us to create more detailed, informative, and interesting sentences. They are the building blocks for advanced sentence structure and are widely used in both spoken and written English. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into complements in English grammar. Remember, subject complements describe or identify the subject, while object complements provide more information about or identify the object. Practice what you've learned today, and you'll be crafting more polished, detailed, and dynamic sentences in no time. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.